Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. Hyundai India has finally launched the Hyundai Alcazar 6 or 7 seat SUV
at a price range of Rs 16.3 lakh ex-showroom to 19.99 lakh ex-showroom.
The Hyundai Alcazar is essentially an extended 6 or 7 seat version of the 5 seat Hyundai Creta. It carries forward a lot of characteristics and features seen on the Hyundai Creta while also providing some additional features along with an extra row of seats. The new Hyundai Alcazar is available in 6 variants, namely the Prestige, Prestige Optional, Platinum, Platinum Optional, Signature and Signature Optional. And as we all know, the Alcazar also offers 6 or 7 seat configuration depending on the variant you choose. The entry-level Prestige variant is available with both configurations, be it with the petrol engine or the diesel. However, the Prestige Optional variant, which is the automatic version, is available only with the 6-seat configuration with the petrol engine, whereas the diesel version is available only with 7 seats. The second-level Platinum variant is available as only a 7-seater, whereas the Platinum Optional automatic variant is available only with the captain chairs for the second row, making it a 6-seater on both engine options. Similarly, the Signature and Signature Optional automatic variants also are available only as a 6-seater. Now let's talk about the dimensions and exterior design of the Hyundai Alcazar. The new Hyundai Alcazar is an extended version of the Hyundai Creta with a length of 4500 mm, which is 200 mm longer than the Hyundai Creta, and the wheelbase too is claimed to be segment besting at 2760 mm. In terms of design language though, the Alcazar is almost similar to the Hyundai Creta till the C-pillar. The front of the Hyundai Alcazar gets a different treatment compared to the Hyundai Creta with the rectangular studs on the grille that try to make it more premium, similar to the Hyundai Palisade. The all-LED headlamps are carried forward from the Hyundai Creta and is available as standard across all variants, while the entry-level Prestige variant gets 17-inch dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels. The higher-spec Platinum and Signature variants get 18-inch alloy wheels. However, all-wheel disc brakes along with roof rails are standard across all variants. The rear design is where the Hyundai Alcazar is significantly different compared to the Hyundai Creta, getting a blacked-out D-pillar, giving the roof a floating effect. LED tail lamps are standard across all variants, with a chrome strip connecting the tail lights, which also has the Alcazar badging embedded into it. Overall, the rear design of the Hyundai Alcazar reminds you of the Ford Endeavour and to some extent the Tata Hexa as well. The interior layout of the Hyundai Alcazar is also similar to that seen on the Hyundai Creta, except for some feature updates. As against to the beige and black color combination seen on the Hyundai Creta, the Alcazar gets a combination of cognac brown and black, with the top spec Signature variant getting leather upholstery. All variants of the Hyundai Alcazar will get the very same 10.25-inch touchscreen system, along with other standard features including cruise control, 64-color ambient mode lighting, leather-wrapped steering wheel, wireless charging facility for the front seats, rear window sunshades, panoramic sunroof, automatic climate control, smart key access with push-button start, automatic LED headlamps, seat back retractable table along with cup holders for the second row, and USB charging ports even for the third row. All variants also get the Bluelink connectivity system as standard with voice command enabled functions for the power windows, sunroof, media and climate control. All variants also come as standard with remote engine start-stop function using the smart key. It is only the 6-seat variants which get the second row integrated into the second row's center console. Except for the base level Prestige variant, a smart air purifying system is available as standard from the Prestige Optional variant, whereas body integrated side footsteps are available from the Platinum Optional variant onwards. While the entry-level Prestige variant comes with the semi-digital instrument cluster seen on the Creta's SX Optional variant, the Platinum and Signature variants get a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster, with both the Platinum and Signature variants getting a 360-degree surround view camera with lane change monitor. The Platinum and Signature variants also offer an air purifier with an 8-speaker Bose surround sound system, whereas the entry-level Prestige and Prestige Optional variants get only a 6-speaker Arcamis sound system. It is only the top-spec Signature and Signature Optional variants which get front parking sensors, 8-way power adjustable driver seat, along with front ventilated seats. In terms of safety features, while all 4 disc brakes along with ABS, EBD and dual airbags are standard across all variants, 6 airbags, 360-degree surround view camera with lane change monitor are available as standard from the Platinum variant onwards. That said, electronic stability program, traction control and hill hold are standard across all variants as well. However, an electric parking brake with auto hold function is standard from the Prestige Optional automatic variant itself. Talking about powertrain options, the Hyundai Alcazar is available with 1 petrol and 1 diesel engine option. The 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder petrol engine produces 159 PS of maximum power, and the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine producing 115 PS of maximum power. Both the engines are available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox on the optional variants. The petrol Alcazar is claimed to do the 0 to 100 km per hour dash in just 9.5 seconds and is also claimed to have the segment besting efficiency figures with 14.5 km per litre for the manual and 14.2 km per litre for the automatic. The diesel Alcazar 2 is claimed to have segment besting efficiency figures with 20.4 km per litre for the manual and 18.1 km per litre for the automatic. Talking about the automatic variants, the Prestige optional, Platinum optional and Signature optional variants get additional features including multiple drive modes offering comfort, economy and sport modes, traction control modes including snow, sand and mud modes, along with standard paddle shifters.
Talking about pricing, the petrol manual range of the Hyundai Alcazar starts from Rs 16.3 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 18.7 lakh ex-showroom for the Signature variant. The petrol automatic range, on the other hand, starts from Rs 17.93 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 19.84 lakh ex-showroom for the Signature optional variant. The diesel manual range starts from Rs 16.53 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 18.93 lakh ex-showroom for the Signature variant. The diesel automatic range starts from Rs 18.01 lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to Rs 19.99 lakh for the top-end Signature optional variant.
So that was a detailed overview of the newly launched Hyundai Alcazar 6 or 7-seat SUV based on the Hyundai Creta. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews of this new Hyundai Alcazar. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.